All right, it is raining out today, so the natural choice to take out would be the SUV, but I'm gonna take the 4C. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome back to the channel. It's a rainy day, or actually it rained most of the night. Had some plans with Jerry to go to Ferrari of Silicon Valley and then head up to Alice's. And not quite the right tires on either one of our cars, I think. Yet here I am out in the wet, but you know, I'm only going in straight lines. The 4C does have a wet mode, and really I haven't tried it like in some real rain. I've only been in the wet in this car maybe 2 times, 3 if you count this, and all it's really been is just wet ground, a little bit of sprinkle. You can't really feel the difference, you know. So yeah, right now got her in regular mode, so yeah, should be all good. But just for kicks, I'll show you guys, whoa, that wet mode. We'll go down here, we'll go all weather. All weather is the wet mode. See it turn blue. And actually, yeah, it is taking a little bit longer to switch gears, so I guess there's that. Maybe, yeah, a little bit less aggressive. And I see people are passing. They're gonna try to pass me because I'm going so slow. But yeah, we need to go get coffee. All right, now we're getting a little bit more on the windshield. Earlier there was nothing. Yeah, Phil's coffee. But I also want to see if I can get some nice photos of the car with that nice little reflection on the ground. We'll see if we get that. I take back what I said. Yeah, wet mode is super slow. Not so aggressive on the shifting. Yeah, I wish I had more sport mode right now. All right, here we are. Phil's coffee. There's actually a couple of nice cars over here I want to see, and I'll show you guys real quick. So here we are in the puddle, in the wet. This will make some really good pictures. Got my GoPro too. I'm gonna start doing videos every Wednesday on my Instagram, so follow my Instagram, the Instagram style videos with some nice edits. But I want to go see a couple of cars that are over here before we go get Phil's. It's cool. Whose is this one? So he's got what car is this?
Oh, you don't know what that is?
No.
Oh, it's a Mark II JZX.
Wow. Oh, it's right-hand drive. I didn't even notice.
Yeah. So
that's so cool.
It's a 1J Camry.
Wow.
Yeah, but it's non-turbo.
This is so cool.
Non-turbo automatic. He just imported it like a month ago.
That's amazing.
Yeah. So if you look at it from the front, you
yeah,
have no clue what's going on.
Yeah, at first I thought it was an Infiniti, like a G20 or something.
It looks like it, right?
Yeah, and it even has like the same color.
Yeah, so you can already tell if you go up here, you're like, okay, something's
wow.
going on.
And then yeah, I didn't even notice it's right-hand drive.
And then it's just brown.
That's
it's just like, if you sit inside, it's like a Toyota Camry, but it's
that's so cool.
But it's like so much cooler.
The back actually. Oh, look at this. This is all one piece. Yeah. Of the
one piece, like no B-pillar.
Right.
Between the two.
That's cool. Man, I didn't know what I was looking at first. So, oh, look at that.
The thing is, there's 3 of them. The JZX 80, 90, 100. Well, that one technically counts, but they're all rear-wheel drive. That's the only reason why we buy them.
No, that's super cool.
Yeah.
Wow. Dude, thanks for the tour. That's awesome. Look at that. There we go. Got my coffee. Thank you all. And we got the birds. I wonder if these are the birds that make all that noise every time I record around there. But they're really cute. Look, some of them got orange and red. Excuse me, pals. Look, you got the doggo there. There he is. What a nice find. Super cool. Super cool, folks, too. Yeah, we got 911. Looking nice. This thing is, that's rare. Ooh. He was asking about that. Good eye. Better than me, that's for sure. And we got a RF Miata coming through. Nice bronze wheels and a nice little ducktail. Go right back in the 4C. Yeah, really nice group of folks there with some really nice cars. Yeah, time to go get breakfast. Woo, okay, still got in that wet mode, or the all-weather. Also, still got to show you guys the new addition that we have to the family. So yeah, there's still that. Kind of a mascot to the 4C, to the Alfa Romeo. Actually, I shouldn't just say specifically the 4C. I'll show you what I'm talking about. The local dealership has an E46 M3 for sale. Got me pondering. Old Niles Road. If you ever get a chance, check out this flying service. I don't know what to call it. But yeah, super cool area. Very old school. There's a train, and Yeah. Not many cars out here today, but yeah, at least I got the Alfa out here. Also, fun fact, the 4C only has one windshield wiper. Yeah, that's it, just one. All right, back home, and I wanted to show you guys something about the Alfa Romeo in case you guys are not familiar. The logo, the emblem, has a serpent on there. So yeah, I wanted to introduce you guys to the newest addition to our family. Yeah, it is a ball python, the mascot of the Alfa Romeo. There it is. Hopefully he doesn't eat me like that someday. But yeah, we'll bring him back inside because the garage is very cold. But yeah, here is Caramel, our ball python. Yeah, this one, yeah, she is not a snake, but she can be a snake. Can be very feisty. So yeah. Anywho, Caramel, yeah, he's only about maybe 5 months old right now. And yeah, he eats little mice, actually hoppers. Trying to feed him like twice a week now, but he will grow up to be about 3 feet long. So, and his color, the pattern is called pied. Whenever they have big patches of white like that, that's the name they gave him. I don't know, but anyways, yeah, he's a little cold. That's why he's wrapped up like this, like a ball python. And we will get him back in his cage. Anyway, super random day. I was, you know, like I said, gonna meet up with Jerry. We were gonna go to Ferrari. We were gonna then go to Alice's. That was the plan, but you know, with the weather being like this and our tires being, we said forget it. So, but I did need to get some fills. There was a little break in the rain, so I figured take out the 4C. Got to see those really cool cars. That super rare one that's essentially like a Camry. Looks really cool. They said it was actually pretty cheap to have it imported over. The only thing is you can't have it as a California car. Maybe Montana car? Finally, a Montana plate on the channel, maybe? I don't know. But yeah, and also wanted to show you guys randomly what I call our mascot of the Alfa Romeo, our snake, Caramel, our ball python. Yeah, so anyways, yeah, again, super random. I do have a break from work because I do work like a typical 9-to-5 job. But that break, yeah, is coming up after Christmas. So I was thinking, what if I did a daily vlog? Just me, the cars, the motorcycle, and just what I do. Well, I guess it wouldn't be on a daily because I wouldn't be working, but yeah, just a daily vlog. Let me know what you guys think if I just do stuff like this. I do have something to put into the Abarth, and I'll explain why I'm putting that in and not sending it out. That'll make sense later on. Yeah, quite possibly some news for the channel. 2022 is just around the corner, and it's gonna be different for sure. I'll tell you guys that. So anyways, if you guys like the video, make sure to give that a thumbs up. Share with anyone that might like this type of content. Subscribe if you haven't done so, and I'll talk to you guys later.